Okay, I'm third, right?
Okay.
I was asking if I'm third.
Who is talking?
I am Ralo.
Ralo,
so I just wanted to make sure that I'm third.
Yeah, but I will call you to let you know that it's about time to start, okay?
Okay.
All right. So again, Abama, it's not really questioning. If I say Abama Juji's question, it's conversation. Ekpareta oka. Ekpa nkata is conversation. So ekpa nkata, etu aka egechi were bido. Dozie na Ebuka ga-ebido. Na-ajụ onwe ha ajụjụ ihe ọ sọrọ gị ga-ejụọ, meaning that each group will, two of you, one person will start asking questions, just having a normal conversation. That's what it is. Yeah. So don't feel shy. Just feel free. Say whatever you want to say. Even if you don't know how to say it, then I'm here to correct you. Okay? I'm here to guide you. Okay.
Ebuka, ụtụtụ ọma.
Dozie ụtụtụ ọma o olee otu ị mere?
Adị mma. Kedu ka ị mere?
Adị mma nwanne m.
Kedu maka ezi na ụlọ gị?
Gịnị bụ ezi?
Ezi
ezi na ụlọ. Yeah, kedu onye jụrụ ya Ebuka gị ya kwa ya?
Oh, okay.
Ezinụlọ means your family.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ọ dị mma.
Then now, whoever is responding, whether it's Dozie Ebuka, I want you borrow that word too. Ezinụlọ m dị mma, or you can say onye ọbụla dị mma. It means everybody is fine, or my family is fine. So try to use those words, okay? We'll keep going. You have 1 minute.
Dị mma. Kedu maka ezinụlọ gị?
No, I want you to borrow that word that Ebuka had. He said, kedu maka ezinụlọ gị. First of all, what did he ask?
He asked, how's your family, correct?
And now, I want you to use that word, ezinụlọ them instead. When you say,
okay.
So that or is he or she or it. So that is not really answering the question. You see what I'm saying? You can say, ezinụlọ dị mma, or onye ọbụla dị mma. Onye ọbụla means everybody. Okay? So go ahead and use that word, ezinụlọ.
Well, Auntie,
go ahead.
So can I not use ha?
You can say ha demma. Yeah, you can say ha demma.
Okay.
You see what you can say that. Good.
Okay. Ebuka, can you say it again?
Ebuka, never.
Hello?
Yeah, yes. He said to repeat that question again. Kedu maka
ezinụlọ gị?
Ha dị mma.
Gịnị ka ị gara imere taa?
Anọ m Igbo class. Anọ m na Igbo class.
Jụọkwa ajụjụ gị ọzọ. Repeat that question again.
Asị m, gịnị ka ị ga imere taa?
Well, gịnị ka ị ga-eme ka gịnị ka ị mere? So say it in English.
I said, what are you going to do today?
Okay, gịnị ka ị ga-eme taa?
Gịnị ka ị ga-eme taa?
When you say it's something that will happen, but when you say gịnị ka ị mere means what did you do? Gịnị ka ị ga-eme means what will you do? Gịnị ka ị na-eme is what are you doing? So answering that n'ụlọ akwụkwọ will not work because only if he asks, gịnị ka ị na-eme, meaning what are you doing now? But he asks, gịnị ka Ega eme, which means the future. So now you understood the question. Answer the question.
Anam aga.
Agam.
Agam. Okay. Anam agam.
No. Don't say anam. When you say anam, means I am. But you're trying to tell him what you will do in the future, okay? Agam or agameje, agameme. If you're going somewhere, you say agameje, which is say where you're going to, where you're going. But if you're going to do something, say agam eme. So eme is doing something. Eje or aga is going somewhere.
Okay.
I hope everybody's paying attention. I'm not just talking to Ebuka and Dozie, I'm talking to everybody. I want you to know the difference. Please listen again. Agameme is I will do something. Anam eme, I am doing. Emerem means I did. Again, emerem is the past tense. I did. Anam eme, I am doing. You see that? Agam eme, I will do. Now, agam aga, I will go. Agam eje, also I will go. Agam eme means I will do something. Okay, so pay attention to things like this. Okay, ngwazakwa ajụjụ gị.
Agam eme isa aho.
Oh, agam, okay. Agam asa ahụ. If you want to do something, you say agam asa, agam esi. You have to join it to use what you're supposed to use. What will happen is that next week we are going to review our verb. That will help you know to do this, to do, to eat, to sit, to cook, to watch, to dance, to laugh, to lie. So all these things. So we're going to do verb. That will help you know how to conjugate it, okay? Agam asa ahụ dozie ma ọ bụrụ na onye chọrọ ikwu. Agam asa ahụ. If you said I'm going to take my bath or I'm going to take my shower. Okay, so but don't say agam, don't combine two, okay?
Okay, Auntie. So I would say, so I would not say ihe.
Okay, what are you trying to say in English?
So I want to say, I'm going to take my bath.
Okay, agama asa aho. That's it. Yeah, because you will do it later. But if you are doing it now, say anam asa aho. If you did it already, asaram aho, which means it's already past. Asaram aho. But if you're going to do it later, agam asa aho. You can also say agam eje sa aho, but leave that one. That would be when you are like going into advanced. We are going to be using more hard Igbo words. But right now, I want you to know the basic. Agam asa aho. Okay. So I think Ebuka and Dozie tried. Bravo, Dalon. Now we're going to have Chiamaka and Chizzy. Chiamaka and Chizzy, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, ngwano bidonu.
Ndewo Chizzy. Ndewo.
Chizzy, Chiamaka sigi ndewo.
Ndewo.
Is Chizzy there?
What? Yeah, I'm here. Wait, what does
Chizzy, Chiamaka na akparịta nkata means you guys are having conversation. And Chiamaka started by saying, Chizzy ndewo. And you kept quiet.
No,
What is ndewo, Chizzy?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to remember.
Ndewo is like hello or hi or dalo.
Oh, okay.
Just it's a greeting. Ndewo. She's passing and she saw you and said, hey, Chizzy ndewo. You can also say ndewo Chiamaka.
Okay.
Okay, Chiamaka.
Ndewo.
Ndewo Chizzy.
Ndewo. Kedu agi.
Kwuokwa ya ọzọ. Chizzy, kwuo ya ọzọ. Chizzy, what was your question again?
I said Kedu Agi. Agi, I mean.
Kedu gene. Say it well. You know it. I want you to say it well.
Kedu Ahagi.
Chiamaka, did you understand what she said?
Amagimia.
Okay, he said, Kedu ahage. Gene bụ aha gị. Gịnị bụ?
Oh, Ofuma.
No. Aha. Gịnị bụ aha gị or gịnị bụ afa gị? What is your name? That was what she said.
Oh. Ahambu Chiamaka, but you could call me Chi.
Okay.
Okay. Kedu ka ubochi gi meri or meri.
Kedu ka ụbọchị gị mere? That's good.
Oh, yeah, also. Biko.
Just gị kwuo ya ọzọ. Chiamaka, you need to speak up.
Oh, yeah, also, Biko.
That's good.
Do you want me to speak up?
Kwuo ya ọzọ, biko.
Oh, yes.
She said, say it again.
Oh, kedu ka ubochi gi mere.
What did I do yesterday or today?
Kedu ka ụbọchị gị mere? How is your day?
Ofuma.
How is your day going?
Ofuma. Ofuma, kedu ka ubochi Chizzy.
Chizzy, she threw the same question at you.
Nke uma.
Ụbọchị m dị nke ọma ọ ụbọchị m na-aga nke ụbọchị m na-aga nke ọma.
Nke ọma.
Chizzy, I want you to repeat the whole sentence. Ụbọchị m na-aga nke ọma.
Ụbọchị m
na-aga nke ọma.
na-aga nke ọma.
Okay.
Chizzy, kedu ka ndị mụrụ gị mere?
You see, good. I like that, Chiamaka. Chizzy, he said, kedu ka ndị mụrụ gị mere? What did you understand by that, Chizzy? Ndị mụrụ gị means your parents. Just because she didn't say kedu ka nne na nna gị mere doesn't mean that you cannot put it the other way. That's good, Chiamaka. Kedu ka ndị mụrụ gị mere means your parents.
Nne na nna na-eme ihe ọma.
Ọzọ, Chizzy, zaa ya ọzọ.
Ị na-eme ihe ọ bụla taa.
Chizzy, what are you trying to say? Kedu ihe ị chọrọ ikwu? Can you say it in English? I want to hear what you're trying to say.
About my parents or the question I'm trying to say?
So can you tell us what you were trying to say in Igbo, in English? Let me help you out. What are you trying to answer, Chiamaka?
My parents are doing good.
Nne na nna m dị mma. Nne na nna m na-eme ofuma.
Nne na nna m na ofuma. Nne na nna m na ofuma.
Na-eme ofuma.
Nne na nna m na-eme ofuma.
All right, daalụ. Okay, daalụ Chiamaka and Chizzy. Ralụ na Ikenna. Ralụ na Ikenna.
Ndewo.
Adịmma.
Gịnị ka ị mere?
Adịmma.
Wow. Ikenna, you say gịnị ka ị mere? Meaning, what did you do? Or are you trying to say kedu ka ị mere? Or did you mean to say gịnị ka ị mere? Gịnị ka ị mere means, what did you do? Like when I say Ebuka, Ebuka is so frightened. I say Ebuka, gịnị ka ị mere? Maybe Ebuka broke a pot in the house and he was afraid mommy or daddy is gonna be angry. And then he was just feeling like, so when I see Ebuka, I said, Ebuka, gene ka imere. So Ebuka was broke a lamp or something like that. So I want you to be sure of what you were trying to ask the person. Gene ka imere and the kedu ka imere are not the sentence. So make sure you know what you're trying to say, Ikenna. Ikenna, are you trying to say, what did you do or how are you doing?
Kedu ka imere.
Okay.
Oh no, I'm not. Igbo Sch.
No. Ralo, he said, kedu ka imere? Means, how are you doing?
Oh,
How
I
are
didn't.
you?
I
That's
didn't.
the question. Ralo, he said,
Yes.
how are you? So Rally don't know what to respond when somebody say kedu ka imere. Okay.
No, I do.
Ralo?
Yes.
Okay, can you answer the question?
I didn't.
Okay.
Afọ ole gịnị?
Arọ dị iri na abụọ.
No, Ralo, answer the question right. When I say afọ ole ka ị dị, you say Adam.
Adị m afọ iri na abụọ.
What do you mean? Ikenna, what do you mean?
Oh,
is okay. Good.
Afọ ole ka ị dị?
iri abụọ
You
na
can answer the question right. You see how Ralo answer Adam.
ana m iri abụọ.
Adam.
Adị m iri abụọ na.
No, say it right. Adam afọ.
Abụ m
What are you
abụọ.
saying, Ikenna? He said afọ ole ka ị dị, meaning how old are you? Adam, then you say Adam afọ. Then you say the age.
Adị m afọ iri abụọ na atọ.
Are you making it up or are you trying to tell us your age? Iri abụọ na atọ is 23. Okay, Rally, he said he's 23. Let's take it that he's trying to, say the fake age. He said he's 23 years old. And I hope you know what 23, iri abụọ na atọ means. Iri abụọ na atọ means 23. So it is not the sentence as iri na atọ. Iri na atọ is starting, so everybody pay attention to that. Okay, keep going. You still have your time.
Kehi na-akụ.
Keep going. You still have time to do your
Kehi na-akụ.
conversation. Ralo and
Kọọ ya ọzọ.
Kehi na-akụ.
Ọ sị gị kedu ihe na-akụ? Kedu ihe na-akụ no Ralo? The right way to, you're trying to ask him the time. Kedu ihe na-akụ no means what's the time? You cannot jụrụ. Good. I'm glad you put it there, Ralo. Because we did it 2 weeks ago. Kedu ihe na-akụ no means what is the time? Ikenna Imaya.
Amaghị m.
Okay, Ralo, kamenyere na aka there. Ihe na-akụ ugbu a bụ elekere now. We have 11:36, okay? So, and this is how you're going to answer the question. Ihe na-akụ n'ụbụ. O jiri. Okay, what is nkeji? Kedu onye ma ihe nkeji bụ? Kedu gịnị wu nkeji? Hey, you guys forget. Okay, Kamsi, gịnị wu nkeji?
Minutes.
Gịnị bụ tim?
Seconds.
Good. Gịnị bụ oge?
Hour.
Good, daalụ. Okay. Now, o jiri ugbu a is 11:37. Okay. O jiri nkeji 37 gafee 11. You see that? Now, this is the right way. O jiri nkeji iri atọ na asaa gafee elekere iri na otu. So everybody make sure you go back and forth and learn it. And then do your homework. Dalo Ralo for bringing it up. Okay, time is up. Emeka.
Nancy, and what about you?
Ngwa.
Ebuka.
Okay, ngwa.
You said when it's like Kedu Kaimere is like how are you doing? But
and then Kedu also is a short form of how are you doing? How are you?
Sure. But when it's Gini Kaimere, it's what did you do?
What did you do? Yes. So
how is it present and past when it's the same thing?
Gini Kaimere is like you saw, so it's a direct question.
Right.
Something that happened there. So Gini Kaimere. Now it's a direct question and it's there. Right there. Okay. When you say Gini Kega Eme. Gini ka eme, what will you do? Gini ka imere. Now, this gini ka imere, Ebuka, can go either way. Gini ka imere can be, what did you do? But when you say, it depends on the content. Let's say, they were beating you up. And then somebody just stop by and say, gini ka imere. Or the person might ask them, gini ka omere. So I will start asking them, let's say Dozie and Emeka, they were beating you up. And then I say, Ginika Omere, meaning what did Ebuka do? Or is he? Ginika Omere. Why Ginika Omere? Why are you guys beating him? What did he do? So, but when I look at you and say, Ebuka Ginika Imere, means what did you do? Now it's a different thing when I say Ginika ina eme ugbu or gịnị ka ị na-eme means what are you doing? Gịnị ka ị na-eme is not the same as gịnị ka ị mere.
So then why don't we say kedu ka ị na-eme?
Kedu ka ị na-eme? Kedu ka ị mere? No, kedu ka ị mere is how are you doing?
Okay.
But when you say gịnị ka ị na-eme or gịsị kedu ka ị na-eme, yeah, some dialects do to switch it like that. Kedu ka ị na-eme? It can also be gịnị ka ị na-eme, because when you say kedu ka ị na-eme, it means gịnị ka ị na-eme.
Right.
But it's not that straightforward, so it's not a good Igbo.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not a good way. Kedu ka ị na-eme. But people do say it. When you are learning Igbo, when you say it that way, it's pardonable, it's okay. Because you're still trying to find your way.
Okay.
But know your Igbo. Kedu ka ị mere? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? Gịnị ka ị ga-eme? Gịnị ka ị mere? So present, past tense, and past participle. And future tense are there.
Okay, that was...
Imela. Emeka and Uchenna. Jacob and Kamsi, you two will do last, okay? I'll get to you.
Okay.
Emeka and Uchenna. When you greet somebody, mention that person's name, because actually, if you are the one starting, mention your partner's name, okay?
Ebuka Otutuama.
No, it's not Ebuka, it's Uchenna na Emeka.
Emeka Otutuama.
Ututu Oba Ucheda.
Kedu ka ị mere?
Adema. Kedu?
Oh.
Emeka asị kedu Uchenna.
Kedu Ucheda?
No, Emeka, say that name again.
Kedu Ucheda?
Uchenna.
Uchenna.
Good. All right. Okay. Uchenna za Emeka ajụjụ ọzọ gị. Uchenna Emeka asị gị kedu? You see, this is one thing I don't understand. When I was teaching, I said, kedu na kedu ka imere are the same thing. They're not different. You asked Emeka kedu ka imere. Emeka answered you, Ademoma. And Emeka said kedu, and thank you, Emeka, for using that one. Emeka said kedu, and you got lost. Why will you be lost? It is the same thing. Whether the person said kedu or kedu ka imere, they both mean the same thing. You shouldn't get lost. Okay, Emeka Joku Chenna ajụjụ ahụ ọzọ. Emeka
Kedu uchenda?
Adịmma. Ị na-egwu egwuregwu.
Jụọkwa ya ọzọ, jụọ ya ajụjụ ahụ ọzọ.
Ị na-egwu egwuregwu.
Okay, the way you put the question, the way you put it, Emeka, to me, I'm not sure whether you asked a question or whether you're just making a comment. In egwu egwuregwu, yeah. In egwu egwuregwu, it's not the same thing as when you say ina egwu egwuregwu. Gekwa no ntị ọzọ. Everybody listen. Ina egwu egwuregwu versus ina egwu egwuregwu. And then Uchenna ịma ihe bụ igwu egwu. Gịnị bụ igwu egwu?
Sports.
Okay. Sports, playing or sports, yes. Igwu egwu is playing or play sports or playing around. Okay, so he said so did you ask it as a question or did you just make a comment?
Yeah.
Emeka is playing. So
I asked a question.
As a question, okay, it's supposed to be. In a egwu, so meaning, do you play sports or do you play? So Emeka, that was the question. Again, I want you to make a full sentence. Remember, the question was, in a egwu, do you play or do you play games? Do you play sports? Do you play? So it doesn't matter any kind of play it is. In egwu, then Emeka, you can respond by saying, ana m egwu. You see, I want you to use those words because I want you to get used to the words.
Ana m egwu.
Kwuo ya ọzọ, Emeka.
Ana m egwu.
Ana m egwuregwu. Onye ọbụla gee ntị, ana m egwuregwu. Kedu onye ga-akpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu ahụ? I'm coming back to you too, though. Kedu onye ga-akpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu, meaning spell that word. Egwuregwu. Let me see, somebody try. Come on, you guys are doing very well. I'm so proud of you. Achọmọya ga-agbalị nụ. Try means gbalịa. Kamsi, ngwa. Egwuregwu.
Okay. Egwu bụ egwu.
Ọzọ, kwuokwa ya ọzọ.
Okay. Egwu.
Well, you deserve to be clapped for so, but not quite. In nwetachaghị ya. Kedu onye ọzọ ga-agbalị egwuregwu? And remember what I told you guys. When you are spelling Igbo, words, pay attention. Every letter must be pronounced. Egwu. If you can slow down, you will get it. Kedu onye ga-agbalị nụ? Ebuka gbalịa. Ebuka chọrọ nke gbalịa. Ebuka, ọ nọ ebe a? Ebuka,
Anọ m ebe a.
Ngwa, achọrọ nke gbalịa. Kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu, meaning spell it. Egwuregwu.
Egwu bụ
egwu.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yes. Awesome. Egwi uri u egwi u. Egwuru egwu. Egwi uri u egwi u. Egwuru egwu. Okay, you know what? Let me see if well, but you guys know it. Remember, this is not a beginner class. We don't have to type everything, but as you go forward, you learn how to spell, you learn how to pronounce the words as well. If you can slow down, you should be able to get it. Okay, let's move on to Jacob and first of all, Emeka and Nuche na dalon. Jacob na
Imela.
Baritano nkata.
Jacob, kedu ka, gịnị ka ị ga-eme tata?
Hello?
Aga m agụ agụgụ.
Yay!
Oh,
Jacob, Kamsi shouldn't be the only one asking a question. If you have a question, you can also ask Kamsi, okay?
Kamsi will be
Go on, that's fine. Yeah, that's Kamsi, yes.
Gịnị ka iri na ụtụtụ taa?
Jacob.
Nke iri.
You're missing something. Ask the question again.
Gịnị ka iri na ụtụtụ taa?
Gịnị ka iriri?
Iri.
Yeah, joyous. Gịnị ka iriri na ụtụtụ taa? Iriri means what did you eat this morning? And that's good. You only miss riri. Gịnị ka iriri na ụtụtụ taa? Jacob, joyous.
Gịnị ka iriri na ụtụtụ taa?
Achetere m.
Kamsi, Jacob asked you, what did you eat this morning? Gịnị ka iriri? Before you answer, everybody listen again. Gịnị ka iriri na ụtụtụ taa means what did you eat this morning? Gịnị, I want somebody to tell me how to put it in a future tense.
Okay.
How do you put that? How will you put that question for future?
Okay.
Gịnị ka iriri na ụtụtụ taa is a past tense. What did you eat in the morning? So I need somebody to tell me how to pose that question for future tense, and then another person is going to do it for present tense. So I need a volunteer to put it in a future tense. Okay, Chiamaka, future tense. Gịnị ka iriri n'ụtụtụ taa means what did you eat in the morning? So I need a future one.
Kedu ihe ị ga-eri n'ụtụtụ? I'm trying to say.
Yeah, that's fine. That's good. Kedu ihe ị ga-eri na ụtụtụ? That would be echi. N'ụtụtụ echi, meaning what will you eat tomorrow morning? Daalụ, awesome. Kedu onye ga-agwa ya etu echi ga-ekwu ya ugbu a? Present, happening now. We said, gịnị ka ị riri n'ụtụtụ taa? Kedu ihe ị ga-eri ọ gịnị ka ị ga-eri echi? Kedu onye ga-agwa just now ka m si ngwa?
Gịnị ka ị na-eri na ụtụtụ taa?
Yes. Gịnị ka ị na-eri n'ụtụtụ a? Na ụtụtụ a means now, this morning. Gịnị ka ị na-eri n'ụtụtụ a? You have to put it that way to specify that you're talking about now. But when you say gịnị ka ị riri n'ụtụtụ, gịnị ka ị ga-eri n'ụtụtụ, gịnị ka ị na-eri n'ụtụtụ. So that's good. I'm glad that you guys got in it. Okay, keep up with your conversation. So Kamsi, answer the question. Jacob,
okay.
He said, what did you eat in the morning? So go ahead and answer.
Yeah, okay. Achetere okay, this is what I'm trying to say. I forgot what I ate in the morning. So
okay.
Okay.
Echezoro m
So-
ihe m riri na ụtụtụ.
Okay. So echezorom.
No, echezoro
Ihe
m.
echezorom ihe m riri na ụtụtụ tata.
Kwuo ya ọzọ.
Okay. Wait, no, yeah.
Echezoro m.
Echezorom.
Kwuo ya ọzọ ka m si.
Echezorom.
Ihe m riri na ụtụtụ tata.
Okay. Ihe m riri na ụtụtụ tata.
Daalụ, that's good. Everybody pay attention and take note. Echezoro m means I forgot. Echetara m means I remembered. Echezoro m, I forgot. Echetara m, I remembered. Echezoro m, I forgot. Echetara m, I remember. We pause a little bit. Kedu onye ga-akpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu? Echezoro m. Onye ọzọ ga-akpọpụtara anyị echetara m. Kedu onye ga-emere anyị ya? Kedu onye ga-agbalịnụ? Onwe onye chọrọ ịkpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu echezoro m. Echezoro m bụ I forgot. Echetara m, I remembered. Echezoro m bụ okay? Echezoro m, that's M at the end. Echetara m, Echetara m, okay? All right. Okay, continue. You are not done with your conversation. 30 more seconds. Ask question. Ask question.
Maka gị kwanụ. Maka gị kwanụ. Maka gị kwanụ.
What are you trying to ask?
Like, what about you? Like, what? What did you also eat?
Gị nwa kwano.
Okay. Gị nwa kwano.
Meaning, and you too. What did you eat? So he's throwing the question back at you, Jacob. Jacob.
Iriri emonu.
Jacob, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, answer the question. He said, what did you eat? Jacob, you are muted. We want to hear you talk. You are not supposed to mute. Jacob, you are muted. Unmute yourself.
Oh. Onye ihe iri na ụtụtụ.
Ọzọ, kwuokwa ya ọzọ.
I was trying to say I didn't eat anything.
Okay, kwuo ya ọzọ. I think you're getting it. I want you to say it again.
Onweghị
ihe m riri na ụtụtụ.
Onweghị ihe m eri na ụtụtụ taa.
Onye ọzọ.
Onweghị ihe m eri na ụtụtụ taa.
Good, Dallon. Well, everybody, you did very well. You all did great. The conversation went very well, and I'm so happy. So this will help you, and try to have more conversation at home or with your friends or with anybody. You can even have conversations. Sometimes you can even send me a text message in Igbo, not in English. Then when you send it in Igbo, tell me what you're trying to say in English, in case if you don't get it, or just send it in Igbo. If I don't get it, I'll ask you, what were you trying to say? That way I should be able to record it and send to you. You can even record yourself and send to me. Ask me just a random question in Igbo. So interact with your family in the house, okay? You can also interact with me. It's going to help you learn. And I know most of you are really progressing fast here, and I am so happy. So keep it up, everybody. And when what I do? And when what I do? Biko try ya no biko onye ọbụla jisie n'ike gụọ reading gụọ na ihe ọgụgụ nzitere mee ihe omume is your homework. I will post it again. The reading, go there. I posted the reading. I want you all to practice it. We're going to do another reading next week. And then reading and verb, we're going to try to see if we can see two of them in. When were I, Jojo?
Jacob also.
Okay,
I thought we were gonna do reading today.
Yeah, but we ran out of time. I have a beginner class. So we ran out of time. We just did the conversation, so we ran out of time.
But I like the reading.
Okay, go ahead and practice it, okay?
Okay.
All right, get ready for it next week. And when you say, Dozier. Okay, guys, please test me your question because I'm running out of time. I have to start the beginner class at 11. So send me your question. Once I finish beginner class, I'm going to get back to you. I will surely reply. But if I don't see your question, I won't be able to reply to you.
Dalo.
All right.
Yes,
All right.